back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. Today we are going to solve mixed exercise 1, question number 7 from A level maths pure year 2. Question number 7 is f of x equal x plus 3 over x minus 1 minus 12 over x square plus 2x minus 3. You have to show that f of x equal x square plus 3x plus 3 by x plus 3. So we will solve this question in a very easy and simple way only by taking the LCM of this. So we will get f of x equal x is multiplied by, first we make the factor of this, so x plus 3 over x minus 1 minus 12. You have to make the factors of 3 such that when they are added, when they are subtracted give 2. So 3 and 1. So you will write the factors as x plus 3 and x minus 1. Now take the LCM. So f of x equals x plus 3 into x minus 1. X is multiplied by x minus 1 into x plus 3, then plus 3 is multiplied by x plus 3 and minus 12. So we will get x minus 1 and x into x plus 3. And here we have 3x minus 9, so can take 3 as common from this. So we will get, when we take 3 as common from this, so plus 3 minus 4, this will be x minus 1 divided by x plus 3 and x minus 1. Now we will take x minus 1 as common and remaining will be x into x plus 3 plus 3 and divided by x plus 3 into x minus 1. X minus 1 are cancel out. X into x is x square plus 3 of x plus 3 divided by x plus 3. You have to show that f of x equal x square plus 3x plus 3 over x plus 3. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 8. F of x equal x minus 3 over x minus 1. You have to convert this a over x plus b over x minus 1 and find value of a and b. So very easy and simple question. We write solution of this as x minus 3 over x into x minus 1 can be written in partial fraction a over x plus b over x minus 1. Now take the LCM. We will get x minus 3 over x into x minus 1 equal a into x minus 1 plus b into x and divided by x into x minus 1. So equation will become x minus 3 a into x minus 1 plus b into x. Now we will put first of all x minus 1 equals 0, which implies that x equal 1. So we get 1 minus 3 equal a into 0 plus b into 1. So value of b will be minus 2. Now we will put x equals 0. This implies that minus 3 equal a into minus 1. Then value of a is 3. Now we will substitute these values in this answer. So a is 3 and b is minus 2. So this will be the answer. We will again write the values. A is 3 and b is minus 2. Now we will solve question number 9. Now we will solve question number 9 as minus 15x plus 21 over x minus 2 into x plus 1 into x minus 5. Then we will solve this as, first of all, we will take the LCM. So minus 15x plus 21 equals p into remaining two parts x plus 1 and x minus 5 plus q into x minus 2 into x minus 5 plus r into x minus 2 into x plus 1. So this is the equation. To find p, q and r, first take x plus 1 equals 0. This implies that x equal minus 1. So you get minus 15 into minus 1 plus 15 plus 21, x plus 1 0, this factor and this factor is 0. So 0 plus q into minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. So 15 plus 21 is 36 and q into 18, which implies that q value is 2. Now we take x minus 5 equals 0. This implies that x equal 5. So x minus 5 0, these two factors are 0. Minus 15 into 5 plus 21 equal r into 5 minus 2 is 3. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So minus 75 plus 21 equal r into 18. So minus 54 equals r into 18. So value of r will be, when 54 is divided 18, we will get minus 3. So now we have to find the third value, that will be for x minus 2 equals 0, which implies that x equal 2. So we get minus 2 multiplied by this. So minus 30 plus 21 equal x minus 2 0, r factor, q factor is 0, only p will be. So p into 3 into minus 3. So we get minus 9 equal minus 9p, which implies that p equal 1. Now substitute the value of p, q and r and write the final answer. So value of p is 1, value of q is 2 and value of r is minus 3. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve the remaining question of this exercise. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.